Hello and welcome to another episode of SqEngineering. I'm starting off in the apartment because it's the weekend and I will take advantage of having a few more hours than I normally have. So I will prepare the lenses for the taillight section that I'm installing, which I have already shown you that I worked on. I showed that I clear coated them and so on, but there were quite a few runs, but most of all there were dust and other debris in it, so I will take care of those defects, wet sand them, dry them off, take them to the garage, clear coat them again, and you've already seen me do the work, so if you want to see that, go back and look at that episode. But I would prepare this and pick you up once I'm in the garage. So I just got to the garage, basically, 7 hours since I did the last clip, or at least 5. So it's taken some time because I did find a few paint defects on the taillight lenses, so I had to take care of that. And an interesting thing, I won't show the entire process. You can go back to the previous taillight episode to see that, or at least more. But an interesting thing that I'm going to try is something that I saw another YouTuber do this morning, and he saw another YouTuber do it previously, and that's to heat up the clear coat. So he was mixing the clear coat and then putting it in the microwave for 20 seconds, because increasing the temperature will change the viscosity without the need of adding more thinner. So that's interesting, and that would then make it easier to get like a, let's say, glass surface. Otherwise you add thinner in order to change the viscosity and to make it flow more, but then you also run the risk of more runs, I guess, and you're also changing the clearness of the clear coat, so it can become a little bit more dull when you add thinner. So if you add thinner, then you need to add the same amount for each round. But for the lenses, I'm using that 2-part spray can, so metal, meaning I can't put it in the microwave. So instead I will heat up some water to, I won't, not a temperature that I will burn myself at, so more like 25-30 degrees, and then leave it in this bath during the time that I'm preparing the pieces for painting, and then we'll see how that goes. I don't know, but fun to try. So here we have the paint can in this small bucket with water, and so it's currently saying around 40, okay, almost 50 degrees. Yeah, maybe a bit warm, but this will cool down in a bit. And here we have the lenses, and the darker areas are, it's not that I've missed sanding those areas, is that I've gone through the clear coat that I added the last time. We do have a scratch here and 2 here, so we will see how that goes, but overall I'm happy with how they look. I will double check, so a few edges just to scuff them up to get better adhesion for the clear coat, and then I think we can get to painting. I will also prepare the room a bit better this time, so well, just make sure that I'm not putting these things on dirty stuff. I think that's the most important lesson. So the parts are ready for paint. I will do one final wipe off with the tack rag, the clear coat, two part. You push in this knob and that will release the hardener, and then you mix it again. So that one is ready to go. I will put the pieces on their own cardboard so that I can sort of elevate it, but also have it off surfaces that are dirty. So yeah, I will get started. Okay, so I've applied the clear coat on all three pieces. Last time I looked at it, just 20 minutes ago, it looked fine. So I think it's safe to show you the result. So let's have a look. So the right hand taillight, I managed about 2 and something coats. So let's say 2 good coats and then a final, like just going over the top of them. And then we have the left hand one. So it's, you can see that there is a little bit of dust in it, but that's on the surface, so hopefully I can remove it afterwards. The important thing is that I seem to have managed to do this without putting any runs in them. And then the center section, looking good. Yeah. So a slight or small polish later on, and we should be good to go. So considering that result, I don't think I should push it for this episode. So I think we will continue with other stuff in the next episode. These will now dry for, I think they are fully hardened after 3 days or something. I need to look at the can, but the center section is going back to the apartment so that I can assemble that with the LED list and the lock and so on. The lights, I think I will also bring them to the apartment, and I think I will also put them on the balcony so that the UV radiation from the sun can do its work on them, maybe harden them a bit more. but they will stay in the garage at least until tomorrow, I think, or Monday. We'll see. It's Saturday today. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.